Hi friends, Professor Joe here. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to understand what is VWAP and how to trade using VWAP. So there are some very important things you need to understand, which I'll be explaining during the video. So kindly watch the video till the end without skipping. And friends, if you're still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon. I keep creating a lot of educational videos on trading, stocks, crypto, and options, and many related topics. It will be great if you subscribe so you will be the first person to be notified when I create my next video. Let us now get back to our topic for the day. VWAP, volume weighted average price. It's a nice technical tool for trading, especially in intraday. It's not used in long-term trading. It is used only in intraday. When VWAP is calculated, it does not only consider the price, it also considers the volume, it also considers the average price of the day. And that is the reason why VWAP is a very, very important technical tool for intraday traders. As you can see, in a VWAP, there is a VWAP line, there is an upper band, there is a lower band. Now, a lot of people do not use the upper band and lower band. It is up to them. But I personally feel that the upper band and lower band is helpful because it helps us in identifying a good trending call using VWAP. So, why not a moving average? Why VWAP? So, there are some basic difference why VWAP is better than moving average for an intraday trading. Because moving average only considers the price. So if you put a 200 EMA, it is considering the prices for the previous 200 candles. Whereas VWAP is only looking at the psychology of the traders for that particular day. So it is more helpful while doing intraday trading. Now there are different ways of trading using VWAP. Okay. So let us look at the three different ways that traders use VWAP for trading. The first way of trading is using VWAP for support and resistance. So once the price is below the VWAP, the traders are looking for buy. And once the price is above the VWAP, the traders are looking for sell. Something like this. And the traders, so the thin line is the price. So when the price goes above the VWAP and touches the upper band or goes a little bit above the upper band and then they see a reversal candle, they will put a sell. And when the price comes below the VWAP and touches the lower band, and when it is showing some reversal sign, the traders will put a buy. Why is it like this? Because VWAP is the average price of the day. So if you're getting a price below the average price of the day to buy, it is always better. So that's why trader use this in this way. Now this can also be seen like a support and resistance trading strategy. So if you see some good support at the bottom below the VWAP, and you are also seeing that a good candlestick pattern is being formed, then you can go for a buy. And if you see good resistance above the VWAP, and if you see that the candles are moving to the downward direction, then you can go for a sell. Okay, so this is the first strategy wherein traders want to buy below the VWAP and sell from above the VWAP because they feel they're going to get a better price than the average price to enter the market. The second strategy using the VWAP is when the price crosses the VWAP. Okay, so it's like a breakout strategy. When the price is just breaking through the VWAP and going up, the traders will put a buy once the candle closes above the VWAP. And the second one is when the price is coming down, crossing the VWAP from up coming down, and the candle closes below the VWAP, the traders will go for a sell. So this can be considered like a breakout trading strategy where the traders are looking to buy and sell when the price closes above the VWAP or closes below the VWAP. Before I go to the third strategy, I just want to tell you when the VWAP bands are close to each other and the price is moving very, very close range in the bands and close to the VWAP, then avoid trading because that means there is not much enough movement and it is better to stay away from the market until unless you are an option seller. In case of an option seller, you can use this strategy and make money while the markets are flat. And the third strategy using VWAP is the support and resistance breakout strategy. Yes, this is one of my favorite because this is a trending strategy. So if you're looking for a buy, you're looking for the price to go above the upper band and then retrace back into the band area, that is between the VWAP and the upper band. And that is where you're looking for a good support and resistance area. That means a resistance area which is now getting converted into a support. And if you see a zone like this, then that is a perfect entry point in a trending price using VWAP in intraday. You can use a 1 minute chart, 3 minute chart, and a 5 minute chart for this particular trading strategy. The price went up, it crossed the VWAP, crossed the upper band, then retraced back into the zone between the upper band and the VWAP, then again crossed the upper band, again retraced back into the same zone, that is between the upper band and the VWAP. And there you can see that the price is creating a good support, which was a previous resistance zone. And this is a perfect area where you can enter using VWAP, the upper band, and the trend and get into a good trade to make good profits out of the market. In case of a sell, it is the same, but you're looking for it below the VWAP. So here you can see that the price is gone below the VWAP, gone below the lower band, then retraces back. It enters into that zone between the lower band and the VWAP. And that is a good support area getting converted into a resistance area. And that is where you can enter into a sell. So this is how it is looking. You are getting 3 entry points over here. Entry point number 1, entry point number 2, and entry point number 3. So you've got 3 entries in one move itself. So this is how you can use VWAP in 3 different ways. Let us have a look at the chart, how the VWAP will look in a trending call. We will take a bullish trending call in this case today. So friends, like you can see, currently we are looking at the Nifty 50 chart. It's a 5 minutes chart. You can see very clearly that we have taken the 5 minute chart. So the step 1 is to download the indicator. So we go to indicators, which is right over here. And we click on indicators. And you can see that in my favorites, I have already put volume weighted average price. So I will click on that, or you can just write VWAP and you will get it. So I will just click on volume weighted average price, which is one of my favorite indicators. This clearly shows why I'm creating this video. So I will close this, and you can see that the VWAP indicator is already there on the chart. And you can see that this is the start of the day where the VWAP resets itself and then starts from here. Now here you can clearly see that after the day started, the price started moving upwards. It went above the upper band. So it is very clear that today we are looking for a buy call. And then the price came down back into the zone between the VWAP and the upper band. So this blue line is the VWAP line. The upper green line is the upper band and the lower green line is the lower band. So it is pretty clear that the price is in a uptrend. But we are not going to enter over here. We will wait for this area, that is this resistance area, to get converted into a support area. So here you can see some good candlestick pattern like a doji candlestick pattern or even an engulfing candlestick pattern, which clearly tells you that the price is going to go up from here. So for example, let us draw a support and resistance. So this resistance zones has now got converted into a support zone. You can see it very, very clearly. It is above the VWAP. It is in between the upper band and the VWAP. So as per our trending strategy, it's a perfect strategy to enter. So you can enter on this call and you can keep your risk to reward as 1:2 or 1:3. Now you can exit at 1:2 or 1:3, but here just to check how far it went, we will take this forecaster and we will put a long position over here after this doji. And you can see that if you put your stop loss below the support zone, it is around 27 points. And the price over here has already gone some 84 points. And You look at the top, it has gone up to almost 172 points. 172 point means it went almost 6 to 7 times. So this clearly shows that this strategy in the trending market in the intraday is a very, very good strategy to take good profits. Yes, there can be losses. I always say that there is no strategy that will give you 100% profit. You can look at this strategy with a 60% win rate and a risk to reward of 1 is to 2. Minimum 1 is to 2. It can go up to 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4, and sometimes go up to 1 is to 10 also. So after looking at this chart and the explanation, I hope it is very, very clear how you can use the VWAP. Now remember, observing these small things will take time. It requires practice. It requires patience and persistence. So you need to spend time in the markets to learn technical analysis because it's all about observation. Nobody can teach you just by saying it once. So you need to observe these small changes that are happening on the charts and then start learning to trade. Friends, I have written a book, Traders You Can Win, but first learn to lose. This book talks about taking small losses when you're wrong and take big profits when you're right. It is not a very big book, it's a small book. And I have spoken about a lot of my experience in this book. If you're interested in this book, it's available on Amazon in Kindle. You can buy it from there. And friends, if you love the way I'm creating content, please like and share these videos. So, like you, there might be many others who would like to learn trading the right way. These videos will surely help them to improve their trade. That's my goal. Help people to improve their trade. Friends, I've created a lot of videos and I'll be creating many more videos in the coming times. If you're still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon so that every time I create a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Friends, I've also created a series of videos on trading training. The link has been given below. Kindly go through those videos. It will surely help you to improve your trading. Friends, all I can say is keep learning, keep growing. Thank you. Namaskar.